Hey there, are you frustrated with your Infinity soundbar and woofer being out of sync? This week I'll be guiding you through how to fix the Infinity soundbar and woofer sync problem so you can enjoy a seamless audio experience. When your soundbar and subwoofer aren't syncing, it can ruin movie nights and music sessions. Luckily, there are ways to troubleshoot and resolve these issues, getting your audio set up back on track. Step 1. Check connection and power. Start with the basics. Ensure both your Infinity soundbar and woofer are properly connected and powered on. Make sure the power cables are secure and there are no loose connections or damaged cables. If you're using a wireless setup, confirm that both devices are on the same network or are properly paired via Bluetooth. Sometimes a simple power cycle, turning both devices off and back on, can resolve connectivity issues. Step 2. Adjust audio settings. Next, dive into the audio settings on your soundbar. Many soundbars, including Infinity models, have settings for audio delay or synchronization that can be adjusted. Use the remote control or the on-device controls to access these settings, and experiment with small adjustments to find the sweet spot where the audio perfectly syncs. Consult your soundbar's manual for specific instructions on accessing and adjusting these settings, as they may vary by model. Step 3. Update firmware. One often overlooked solution is ensuring your soundbar and woofer are running the latest firmware. Manufacturers frequently release updates that can improve connectivity and overall performance. Visit the Infinity website or consult your user manual to determine how to check for firmware updates. Some devices allow updates via USB or directly through their settings menu if connected to the internet. Step 4. Repair your devices. If you're using a wireless setup, it's time to try repairing your devices. Start by disconnecting the woofer from the soundbar. Then follow the manufacturer's instructions to reconnect them. This process often involves holding a pairing button on each device until they are synced. Listen for confirmation tones or indicators on the devices to ensure they are properly paired. Repairing can resolve many wireless communication hiccups, disrupt sync. Step 5. Test with different media. Sometimes the sync problem might not be with the hardware or its settings, but with the specific media being played. Try testing different types of content, such as a different movie or song, or stream from another source like a different app or device to see if the sync improves. If the problem persists across multiple sources, you know it's an issue with the sync settings, not the media itself. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and resolve the Infinity soundbar and woofer sync problem. Whether it's checking connections, adjusting audio settings, updating firmware, repairing devices, or testing different media sources, these methods will help you regain harmony in your home audio system. Remember to always refer to your device manuals or manufacturer support for model-specific guidance. With your soundbar and woofer in sync, you can return to enjoying your favorite movies, music, and shows with immersive sound clarity. Enjoy your perfectly synced sound experience.